Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide Complete Guide for all your career needs। So फ्रेंड यहाँ पर आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं दो सबसे बड़ी अपडेट्स यहाँ पर आप लोगों के लिए आ रही है टेक महिंद्रा एंड इन्फोसिस। तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए होने वाला है फ्रॉम द बैच ऑफ 2020 एंड 2023 जो कि आपका टेक महिंद्रा में इंक्लूड होने वाला है। तो वीडियो को चलिए फिर बिना किसी फर्दर डिले के करते देते हैं स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, बता दो फिर यहाँ पर जो है टेक महिंद्रा ने फाइनली आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम दे स्टार्टेड sending mail for onboarding related. So let's see what they replied on this particular mail. Update Tech Mahindra Campus 22 onboarding. Dear applicant, this is with reference to your Tech Campus 22 evaluation and subsequent certification test जो कि फिर आपका था यूडमी वाला, आप लोग को पता होगा जो लोग टेक महिंद्रा से वीडियो देख रहे हैं, and submission of education documents. We are glad to inform you that you have cleared our education document verification process and now have become eligible for further process. Please be informed that we are working on your offer process and onboarding will happen in a phased wise manner starting from last week of December to kindly wait till further communication. So there is a big update which is coming from the Tech Mahindra that they will start onboarding for those candidates who are qualify the certification exam, as you can say Udemy test, and also submission of all the educational documents. Okay, so it's mandatory to you have to you have to keep all the documents with you, and also you have proper documents either, and also 10 12th and graduation you have to more than 60%. Okay, so if you are meeting this kind of eligibility criteria for any of the company, that they are not going to reject you in any stage of the selection process. Okay, so you have to meet this one. Okay, and they will start onboarding starting from last week of December 22. So this is update is coming from the Tech Mahindra team for the batch of 2022. So basically 22 batch are receiving the onboarding mail from the Tech Mahindra team. Okay, and second thing, Tech Mahindra pending TR result for 23 batch. So basically they will start sending the last week of this month. Okay, they will start sending your result. Okay, so don't worry. If you are from 23 batch, just wait for 1 or 2 weeks more. They are last week of this November, last week of not December. Okay, last week of November you have to wait at least 1 or 2 weeks more to receive your TR and HR result. And if you are still not getting any update, then you have to write campusjoining@techment.com for your query for the same. Okay, and they will update you. And next update is coming from the Infosys team that greetings, we hope you and your family are safe and well. This is a continuous to the offer that was extended to you at campus. We request you to please provide your response for the below survey. Kindly check here to update your response at the earliest. So what is the survey mail? So whenever you are going to click your survey mail, okay, Infosys limited requirement feedback. Okay, greeting, we hope you and your family are safe and well. This is continues to offer that was extended to you at a campus. We request you to provide your response for the below survey. Kindly click here to update resume and response at the earliest. So whenever you are going to click this survey form, you are getting this kind of questions. Email address, you have to fill the same email address from where you got the mail from the Infosys team. Three most important factors you are looking for while choosing an employer. So you have to choose any of the three. Okay, so this is not a mandate that you have to choose what I'm trying to tell you. No, you have to choose according to your preference. And how did you hear from here for this employment? Okay, you just check once and please read the statement, and you have to getting 3 to 4 questions like if there's any issue while giving the exam or while giving the interview. There are 3 to 4 questions are there. You have to fill according to your preference. Okay, and that's it. Okay, this is a survey mail regarding a joining. Okay, Infosys date of joining feedback survey form after selection mail for the batch of 2022 and 2020 batch. Okay, so Tech Mahindra start onboarding update 22 batch joining in phase 5 minutes starting from December 22. So I think that's it for this video. If you have more doubt, you can ask comment section. मिलते हैं इस वीडियो में। टिल जय हिंद जय भारत। अब मैंने आप लोगों के लिए इससे इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स के वीडियोस अपने चैनल पर अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, जाके चेकआउट जरूर करें। प्लीज विजिट माय चैनल एंड प्लीज शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो।